Hello, I'm Danny. This Big Bots, Little Bots Unbot, and today we are unboxing the Xtreme 3 by JBL. Let's jump into it. Big Bots, Little Bots. Alright, it's got some nice packaging on this. Looks very premium. Got this squeaky reflective surface. So it's Bluetooth, 15 hours of battery life. On the back we can see it's got an IP67 water resistance rating. It works as a power bank as well. So very nice. And on the side it says dare to listen. So this is a great little Bluetooth speaker for day at the beach, bit of British weather all over the place. Even got some nice pictures here, all picking up on that party vibe. So I got cardboard packaging. A bit of that. That feels nice. Feels like a good quality product already. It's got a good weight to it, not too heavy. And what else have we got in there? We have instructions, warranty stuff, tech spec sheet, moisture trap. So we've got a UK plug. Fits onto this power brick. And then we got a Type C connection. So that's your cable length right there. And then here have a JBL branded strap. It's got some rubberized grip on there as well. It's quite nice, not really seen that on the strap before like that. And you've got these nice heavy duty buckles for clipping it on. Bit of a tight fit, to be fair. Yeah, nice, allows you to hang it as well, if that's something you'd like to do. So, looking at the speaker itself, feels pretty robust. Now I believe this can go about 1 metre deep in water for 30 minutes. Not that you'd intentionally want to do that, but it's nice to know. So, you've got JBL logo here. Got some sort of indicator light there. You've got nice chunky rubber grip on the bottom. On top you've got, that's a linking button if I'm correct, so you can pair up, I think you can pair 2 of these together on Party Sync. You've got your minus button, your plus button and your play button, and you've got your on and your Bluetooth. I mean, those speakers seem pretty good already, like in robust terms at least, not in sound obviously. And then in the back you have a USB out, so that's for charging and using it as a power bank if you need to charge your phone on the go. Got a USB-C port there for power in, and oh okay, so that also has a power out, so it's in and out, so that'll give you some faster charging, so you could charge 2 devices by the look of it at once, which is good. And then you've got an auxiliary output in it as well, so it's pretty good. And you've got this rubber cover, so that will stop any water getting in. long as it's pushed in properly. Let's turn it on. So the power button's illuminated, Bluetooth's flashing, it's making this noise, that light's flashing. It's all go. Let's have a look in the Bluetooth what we got. So that's nice and easy. Go. Tell it's connected now. Big box, little box. A bit of bass vibration. Obviously with these rubber feet here, if you had two, you could stand them like this if you wanted.
Wave. Look, yeah. Okay. I pull up you deep on consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it. She tapping it fast. I think that you know they be catching it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow on niggas that talk like they bad but know that we.
I mean, acoustically, on acoustic, that does sound very crisp, to be fair.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is they'll get older. So let us dance.
Okay, so my conclusion on the sound is it actually, for me, sounds better with classical type music and acoustic. It's okay with like electronically programmed sound, but it's just so much clearer. Like, that is a really crisp sound you're getting on the acoustics, on the strings, on the violin, on the guitar. When it comes to a lot of the bass, it's quite a deep sound, but I wouldn't say it's like, it doesn't hit you really hard, but it does seem fairly well programmed, even though it's like obviously sort of pushed towards a party scene. I wouldn't say it's necessarily been tuned for that. For me, this is quite a balanced, all-round listening experience. Yeah, I think it sounds a hell of a lot better in the mid-volume range. When I went up quite high, it's okay, but the bass, I wouldn't say it's amazing. But it's a good speaker. If you like stuff to sound how it should, then this is probably the one for you. I mean, for me, the sound's brilliant on it. The one thing I will say is to bear in mind that this isn't just your average speaker. It's made to also be durable and water resistant. So you have to bear that in the mind with the sound, that you're not going to get the ultimate audiophile experience with something like this, because it's just not made for that. It's made for taking out, probably camping, who's going out on a hike even, and you just wanted a bit of music to motivate you. Take that with you, give you a bit of weight training as well. Yeah, I'll be honest, I just can't help but like the quality of this. I mean, I know 249's not cheap, but I think it's reasonable just for such a robust product. Like, I'm not gonna drop it, but I feel like if you did, that'd hold on quite well. The rest I'll leave up to you. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. If it has, remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm Danny. This is Big Box, Little Box, Unboxed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Big box, little box.